Hi 4K families, Miss Kimberly coming at you here. To recap this week, we did the Winter Olympics. The kiddos had a blast doing this theme, which is super exciting because I love it. So we went over all of the different sports that you do for the Olympics, and then we had them try it out in the classroom. We held a mini Olympic ceremony, things like that I hope they had a lot of fun with. Pictures will be coming soon on the Facebook page. So if you're not a fan of the Facebook page, go on to Little Dudes and Divas Facebook page, like it, and then you'll get the notifications that come on there. It's pretty much just to share pictures with families, things like that, grandmas and grandpas, aunts and uncles, fun stuff like that. So going into next week, we're learning all about fairy tales and dragons. Another fun theme here in 4K. Every single day we will learn something different. Like I think we do the Three Little Pigs. We've got a fun little book here called The Three Billy Goats Gruff. One fun activity that we are leaning into in our school year is how do they put things in order. So we've done a lot of patterns, like what comes next, like orange apple, orange apple, orange apple. What comes after that? This one we're going to try to transition into what comes next in the story. So I read them the story, and they have the pictures to go off of, and then they'll have a worksheet that says what came next. So can they remember this? So instead of seeing it on paper and picking out the pattern, can they hear it now and what came next in the story, what did they do? Which is great for Fairy Tales and Dragons Week because it's pretty repetitive, especially with the Three Little Pigs, Goldilocks and the Three Bears, the Three Billy Goats Gruff, things like that. Busy binders this week going home will be the 4 main worksheets. That is all for this week in there. We're focusing a lot on how to hold our pencil correctly and write for a longer amount of time. So there's a lot of tracing that is going in this week. Just your child knows how to trace. They know how to count. They know how to recognize their numbers, 1 through 10, 1 through 20, things like that. So it's not necessarily about getting them to learn that. It's getting them to hold that pencil correctly and write for a longer amount of time. So those will be going home this week. And then obviously busy binders for next week. There'll be more activities going home then. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Otherwise, have a great weekend, and I will see you guys all on Monday. All right, bye-bye.